So I'm a consultant psychotherapist and I work for a new service called Flourish. Some people with personality disorders and other difficulties just weren't being seen, and so we developed a way of helping these people process their trauma. I was offered the chance of doing the training, and as I'm an EMDR consultant already, I thought this would be another wonderful string to my bow, which would complement what I already do. My thinking is that EFT would be a great way forward for these patients because it would be softer, it would be more gentle approach. So I think I was really attracted to the trauma aspect of EFT. I don't think I've ever been on any training where I felt so held and able to get up in front of a group of people and actually expose myself emotionally. And I think that's down to Tamara and Peter. Actually it's almost like you're in a container and then kind of everybody follows. And of course, the kind of people that are on this training are carers, they're lovely, kind people anyway. But it just feels like when you're on the training, you're in this kind of bubble of kindness and you can just be yourself and you don't have to worry, and that's what's enhanced the training for me. This 3-day block of knowing that I'm coming somewhere really safe, I can be myself, I can let go of this stuff, I can be in front of people doing it, which I'm not always comfortable with. So that was quite amazing. I'm very logical. I learnt my 8 phases of EMDR like everybody else. I started off as a CBT practitioner. I was a counsellor before that. I've been in addictions. So I've kind of done my time as a psychotherapist. But this has kind of got a whole different feel to it. It's got that kind of warmth to it. And you can still be clinical, you can still be a little bit rigid if you like, a little bit fixed, but actually just bringing this on board, which I am definitely going to weave in to my sessions, I think it just opens your mind. And those patients that maybe don't like therapy, don't want to do therapy, actually this feels softer, it feels gentler. And I think that those patients that might be kind of anti-therapy and might not want to be there, they might want to try this, and just because it's kind of quite free, it's quite easy, and yeah, it's got its protocols. I think a lot of people would maybe prefer that approach, whereas sitting in front of a clinician, baring their souls might be petrifying. I think that EFT would really work under those conditions.